Using their own words in their own way to prevent local youth from substance use is the goal of Teens for Tomorrow. This group of peer educators, ranging in ages from 12 to 19 years old, represents the diverse region and population of Clark County.
So peer educator, I like to think of it as someone who goes to school with you and has the knowledge so they can help you in a situation. Oftentimes it helps make a better connection, right? When someone's your age and they see similar struggles, they know what our generation goes through.
Teens for Tomorrow is based in the Youth House and overseen by Clark County Community Services.
The first thing they're tasked with every year, it's mandatory, is an 18-hour training over a weekend to learn what prevention science is, prevention science research, looking at data and assessing the community of what's happening right now.
Through trainings and by sharing life experiences, Teens for Tomorrow learn how to better teach substance prevention.
Last year, our big focus was risk factors and positive influences. Like, instead of introducing what the substance is, like scaring people away from it, introducing replacements to prevent them from even thinking about it in the first place. Replacements would be like drawing, art, taking walks, exercise, cooking.
With their first meeting of the school year, the group bonded by creating tie-dye Teens for Tomorrow t-shirts. Then began working on the Red Ribbon Week poster contest with the theme of What Makes You Bloom to emphasize healthy coping skills.
Our outreach looks like a lot of different things. We have poster contests that many students can enter from different areas in Clark County. We have a lot of presentations we do in the community about prevention, and that helps get our word out. They see how passionate teens can be about prevention.
Recently, Teens for Tomorrow led an interactive workshop with a local Boys and Girls Club. Youth learned skills on how to bloom, much like a plant, by focusing on positive behavior to be happy and healthy. The youth then expressed their new skills by making posters.
Connection as the best prevention. It's creating community and outreach to everybody to have the resources for prevention and being able to root out the problems before you even know they're problems.
For the October Red Ribbon Week, which is a National Youth Substance Prevention Awareness campaign, Teens for Tomorrow displayed the youth's posters at Latte Dot Coffee Shop in Vancouver. They also partnered with another prevention group, West Van for Youth, to tie symbolic red ribbons and then plant flowers in 2 city parks.
Department of Behavioral Health and Recovery has something called What Works or Doesn't Work in Prevention. One of the biggest things that have been proven to work is having a peer-led model that's interactive and connecting. So whatever we do when we lead workshops, it's really interactive education when we're connecting with young people.
Members of Teens for Tomorrow are also policy advocates.
We talked to a few people in our state legislature about like upcoming bills, and a lot of them pertain to the influence of nicotine and especially vaping products in youth today, and to try to get them to have sort of an influence on the matter.
There aren't many students in our age group that will advocate in legislature, but as Teens for Tomorrow, we were able to head down to Olympia and talk about our experiences and how we see substances affect our peers and what can best help us.
To learn more about Teens for Tomorrow and to check out their youth prevention resource website, visit teensfortomorrow.clark.wa.gov.